Alright, so it turns out for the first Sas Vaya video I did what was supposed to be part 2. So now we're going to just do the demo of what was supposed to be part 1. So we're going to launch Sas Vaya for Learners. And my Wi-Fi is slow, so you just gotta bear with me. So we're going to go up to Explore and Visualize. And then Recent, we're going to go to Product Report. So the report overview shows Orion Sports and Outdoors. This is a little bit about the supplier analysis and then the product analysis, which we can find up here as the supplier analysis, and then product analysis here. So we can look at supplier analysis by Australia and Pacific. Well, unclicking that means that we can see the whole world. And then to zoom in, we can go to Australia/Pacific. So showing these 3 suppliers and this one place. So this is in Australia. And that is the only one. If we want to look closer at it, we can go there or smaller. So in Europe, it shows something very similar. If we want to click a certain country, say we want to go to France, we can see, that pulls up Wikipedia. Didn't mean to do that. We can see down here that France has an average product per supplier of 14.20. In Germany, which is there, 3.67. In Norway, which is up here, is the average products per supplier is 13, and there are 2 suppliers. We can see that here. So then if we want to minimize this to get back to the screen, these are the 2 suppliers in Norway, and then this is their quantity sold and profit generated by month for Norway, and this is the profit or difference from previous parallel periods excuse me, for Norway as well. So then North America, we can see that this is the United States and this is Canada. So if we click on that, Canada has 2 suppliers. The US has 24 suppliers, as we see in the top of that box. These are all of their suppliers. We can maximize this to see that in December is when when the United States had the most profit, and then August had the most products, the most number of products sold. The quantity is also December with the most profit for the United States. And then here's also Europe. If we go back, if we go to product analysis, we can see that these are the product categories that our products fall into. So assorted sports articles, clothes, outdoors, shoes, children's sports, running, jogging. If we hover over, we can see that this is racket sports, swim, winter, golf, team sports, and then indoor sports. So that is a brief demo of how to use Sas Vaya and look around and see specifics. Shoes, if we click on or hover over this box. Oh, my mouse is doing something silly. We can see by product group, and we can see their profits and their number of products as well and sort them in whatever order we like. So shoes has the least number of products, and followed by tracker shoes and Eclipse shoes. So that is the brief demo. Thank you.